Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install an air filter on a 2012 VW GTI. So the first thing you want to do is take off, there's like 8 screws to get to the air filter. This is a Torx 25 bit. So go ahead and take off all these screws to get to the actual filter. So that's 1, 2, and then here's 3, 4 there. And 5 will be on the other side of the tube. 6 is just below. And then 7 is below that. And then there's one more to the right. So that's the last one. Then you should be able to lift the air filter box up. Make sure to take that tube out. It just comes out if you press both sides. And then you can get to the air filter. So go ahead and take the old air filter out. This one wasn't particularly dirty, but it was time to change it. So go ahead and put the new one back in. Make sure it's flat in the air box. And then put the tube back on. It should just snap right back on. And then put all 8 screws back in. And that's it. So if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.